Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Firmansyah and today will be presentation my English project titled Computer Essential Software Operating System and the Hardwareless Future. In this presentation, we'll explore two main parts. Part 1, the main of the computer, software and operating system, and part 2, the hardwareless concept, understanding cloud computing. Part 1, software and operating system. Hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical part of a computer, things you can see and touch, like the monitor, keyboard, and CPU. Software, on the other hand, refers to the program and instruction that tell the hardware what to do. You can think of hardware as the body and software as the brain or thoughts. There are two main types of software: application software, program that perform specific tasks for the user, such as Word or Chrome, and system software, program that manage the computer basic function and support application. Example of system software. System software include the operation system, device drivers, and utilities. The operating system is the main software that control everything. Drivers help the OS communicate with hardware, and utilities maintain your system like antivirus programs. In this productivity, Microsoft Word, Google Sheet, PowerPoint, web browser, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. Entertainment, Spotify, Netflix, video, and games. In example of system, there are programs that the computer, operating system, OS, the main system, software, Windows, and device drivers let the OS talk to hardware, like a printer or mouse. Utilities, program for maintenance, antivirus, disk cleanup. What is an operating system? The operating system is like the manager of the computer. It controls hardware, run application, and provides the user interface that allows us to click, type, and interact. Manager hardware is controlling the CPU, memory, and disk drivers. Run application is provider at platform for your older software. User interface, it provides the screen that lets you click in internet. Example of operating system. Some popular operating systems are Microsoft Word, Apple Mac OS, Linux, and Android Mobile. Some popular operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Apple, Linux, and Android for mobile device. Part 2, the hardwareless concept. The term hardwareless doesn't mean there's the hardware at all. It means the hardware is somewhere else, managed remotely. The content is called cloud computing. What does hardwareless mean? It does not mean hardware exists. It means the hardware you use is somewhere else. This concept is known as cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing service such as servers, storage and software over the internet. You don't have to buy or maintain your own hardware. You just use strong the cloud. In this day, free on-demand computing service, server storage software of the internet, the cloud managed by other. You don't need to buy or maintain your physical servers. Access anywhere, you can access your data and apps from any device with internet. Pas as juga, you only pay for what you use, like in electricity bill. Let us use the cloud every day. We use cloud-based software every day. For example, Google Drive for storage, Netflix on Spotify for streaming, or Gmail and Google Doc for communicating. Is infrastructure as a service, the basic building blocks. PaaS, platform as a service for developer to build applications. SaaS, software and service ready to as application. As you ask the cloud every day. We ask cloud-based software every day. For example, Google Drive storage, Netflix and Spotify for streaming, or Gmail and Google Docs for communication. Cloud storage example, Google Drive, Dropbox. Your files are on the internet, not just your PC. Streaming servers example, Netflix, Spotify, the movie and music are streamed from a cloud service. Web application example, Gmail, Google Docs. You ask the software inside your browser. Pros and cons and cloud computing. Cloud computing hard money advantage is effective, accessible, scalable, and requires no hardware maintenance, but it also has disadvantages in internet connection, may raise security concern and give you less control over the infrastructure. Advantage, cost effective, pay only for what you accessibility, access from any device, scalability, easy grow and sick. Maintenance, no hardware to fix. Disadvantages, request internet, no access. Security, your data is on someone else's servers. Less control, you don't own the infrastructure. Conclusion. To sum up, software is the mind of the computer and the operating system is the manager of that mind. Cloud computing respects the hardware less future where we run someone else's hardware over the internet instead of own it. Software and OS. Software is the mind that tells the hardware body what to do. The operating system is the chief manager of this mind. Hardware is cloud. Cloud computing is a way to run someone else's hardware over the internet, so you don't have to own your own. It is the modern hardware-less model. Okay, thank you for listening to my presentation. Hope you now understand more about software, operating system, and cloud computing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.